Abby.
And I'm Emily.
And we are back with a how-to with SBBlooms, where we take trending Pinterest pins and recreate them with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. So how this series usually works is we take requests from our customers. They let us know their budget, what area they need help decorating, the collection that they're interested in. They drop us an inspo picture, and then we recreate it, using their responses as a guide to recreate the install that they are envisioning. So this week we took our customer request to see us recreate Marlo's cake table from her wedding this past May, and Emily's going to tell you what products we used.
Yes, so we only used 3 of our Jane Garland, 2 of our pink cherry blossom garland, and 1 Jane Garland centerpiece.
Yeah, and just zip ties?
Yeah, we use zip ties to kind of attach these and, you know, make them a little bit more secure, but that's about it.
Yes, very easy, very simple yet impactful, and we're going to show you how to do it. So let's get into it. Okay.
We are going to take 1 Jane Garland and place it on the table. You're going to bend it a little bit to let it hang perfectly off the side, off the front of the table.
Yes, all of our garlands are wire based, so you're able to really manipulate it and get it in the shape you want, so that it stays on your table. Or we do that with our mantle a lot.
Then I'm going to zip tie these 2 garlands in the front together just to secure them. Abby is going to add 1 grand centerpiece.
We're going to put it on its side so that more of the floral show. However, we're not. We're going to put it straight up because we're going to cover the vase. However, this was created before we had our meadow product, so you could definitely use a meadow instead of a brand at the base of your table, and it would look just the same.
Okay, next we're gonna bend this to kind of go to the front of the table, and then you're going to pull this a little forward because this garland is going to go in front, but it's also going to be right here. So you want it to have enough room. So I'm going to zip tie this part to one of these existing garlands to secure.
Final touches, the pink cherry blossom garland. We're adding 2 strands. This is just 1 strand. And we're going to just intertwine it through the garland and grand centerpiece. And there you have it, a Lush overflowing cake table from Marlo's wedding for just under $400. This is such a steal. It is so impactful and makes for a really, really great and beautiful photo op moment with you and your, fiance, and y'all can cheers and do all the things and just have a really great install moment.
Yes. So if you like this video and you want to see more, or you want to submit your own requests, be sure to fill out the form in the description. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See y'all next week.
Bye.